Okay, I'm going to do a really short video of how to do a Lewis dot diagram. This is mostly for Charlie because she wasn't in class and I want to make sure she understands how to do this, but anybody's welcome to watch it and get help. So you remember on your periodic table, the one you colored with Miss Kate, you labeled your columns 1, 2, then we skipped over a bunch. Let me skip back a little. And then we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across the different columns. These are your valence electrons. That means they are the electrons in the outermost shell. And it's these valence electrons that we use to do our Lewis dot diagrams. Now, these are going to be used this coming week in order to actually bond molecules together. So that's why we kind of have to learn how to do them. So you take your element. The first one on your worksheet is chlorine. It is Cl. A couple of you on the quiz, I need longer arms. A couple of you on the worksheet of counting atoms missed that some elements have more than one letter. So if it's a capital and then a lowercase letter, that's one element that it is. So you take chlorine and then you look at which column it's in. So you look at your periodic table and find Cl. I happen to know it's here in column 7. Not really called column 7, but the column with 7 valence electrons. Then you put 7 dots around, spread out. So we can do 2 on the top, 2 on the side, 2 on the bottom, and 1 here. 2, 4, 6, 7. That is all you do. The second one on your worksheet is oxygen. I happen to know that oxygen is here in column, in the 6, has 6 valence electrons. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It doesn't matter which ones have 2, but you can put 2 top, 2 side, 2 bottom, 2 on the other side. A max of 8. You can never have more than 8 valence electrons. Okay? The trickier part can come if they have a positive or negative. So down on number 21 on your sheet, you have Cl negative. So if it is negative, it means it has 1 more electron. Because electrons are negatively charged. So if it has a negative charge, it has 1 more electron. So normally I said Cl was here in 7. You'll use your periodic table to find them. I don't expect you to have anything memorized like that. 1 more electron would make it 8. So Cl would have 8 electrons around it. If something, and it can't be Cl, because it can't have 2 more, it can't have 9. If we had something like oxygen, where it's 2 minus, that means it has 2 more electrons. So normally oxygen is 6, 2 more is 8, and you put 8 dots. If you have something that's a positive charge, it's the opposite. So if you have hydrogen plus, normally hydrogen's here 1, and it normally has 1 electron. If you have a positive charge, that means you have 1 fewer electron. Well, 1 less than 1 is 0, so hydrogen has no electrons. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. If it doesn't, just do the best you can, and we will go over it some more in class if you need more help. But try it on your own, because we will be using it to then form molecules on Tuesday.